So after beating on that thing for I don't know how long, I finally got that bushing out of the rear end. What ended up doing it for me was just a 4-pound sledge, a good hit, and it knocked right out across the garage. That said, now it's time to get that ready to go. Now I planned on originally to totally redo this rear end at this point, but we've decided it's going to be winter anyway here soon, so we're going to just get it rolling so I can get it out of here and get my car or both of my cars in and out of the garage. There's a couple things on my cars that I want to do that's not going to take me that long, but I need these things out of here so I can get my stuff in. So let's get this bushing in here and get rocking on that side.
So if you were lucky enough to see the failure on the control arm video, you know this all thread and socket setup. That's what we're using for this. It actually works really well. It's pushing in with ease. So I'm gonna keep rocking on this and get it in. I'll put the video in the card above if you guys want to check that out, but we're gonna play a short version here just so you guys can kind of see quickly what we're doing.
So what we have set up is our all thread with the nut and 2 washers going through to push. We want this side shallow so that we can get a socket on or an impact and walk it through with a ratchet or break your bar or something like that if you have to. You make sure your sleeve clears that.
And here we all wrapped up. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one, and I will see you on the road.